So guys, in today's video I wanted to sit down and have a little chat with you about brand new perfumes that have just recently been released, and they sound so good that I am already ready to blind buy them. So make sure to keep on watching for the chatty part of this video and for the unboxing of something very exciting that has just been delivered this morning and actually matches my shirt. But before we begin, I would like to ask everyone who is new here to subscribe to my channel, and please give this video a thumbs up right now because that will help it a lot. And once we're done with that, we can get started. Hello everyone and welcome to the Chatty on the Floor episode, in which I wanted to maybe update you or maybe just chat about new releases that sound so good. Because listen to me guys, when I saw that Montale, which is one of my most favorite brands, as you know, I have many reviews on their fragrances and I will leave helpful information like links to my reviews that I will mention in this video or other popular videos or discounts in case you're looking for some new fragrances and want to save some money in the description box down below, so make sure to check it out. But awesome, when I'm filming, noises, loving. But I was absolutely not ready to see something like this from Montale, because this fragrance is not their typical floral, nor it's like their oud. Instead, it is called Blue Matcha, and if you know me a little bit, you know that I love tea, and I love matcha tea, and I love even more matcha tea note in perfume. As you know, I'm a big fan of discontinued Tea Escape from Maison Margiela. I really enjoy their brand new tea perfume, and I was looking for kind of like dupes for Tea Escape, and when I saw the release of Blue Matcha from Montale, I was like, please, can you be similar to my favorite fragrance that very unreasonably was taken out of production? Let me know if you agree, if you like the Maison Margiela's Tea Escape, and if you are looking for something similar. So anyway, what's in that fragrance? Well, we have blackcurrant, matcha tea and citruses in the top. So that gives me an impression it's going to be a juicy and green type of scent. Juicy because of blackcurrant, green because of matcha, and citruses, they will just blend those two notes. Then there is patchouli, cedar, leather and tobacco in the heart of this fragrance. And I expected flowers, honestly, because usually perfumes with matcha, with tea, they are more like floral, watery green, and with notes like leather and tobacco and patchouli and cedar, you definitely expect something that would be woody, that's something that's going to be smoky, maybe even animalic. But then in the base we have powdery notes, musk, mate and ambergris, and that sounds softer than this pretty intense, heavy, aggressive, dark heart. So I'm very much intrigued. I can imagine how it will smell. I can picture it in my head, but I don't really know what it's gonna be, because these are not typical notes for Montale, nor it's like a typical notes combination for them, and I am very curious how they will interpret the note of matcha in their perfume. Is it going to be strong and loud and green and tea-like, or it's going to be so subtle that you won't even notice it and it's just going to be a marketing kind of like name trick? Let me know how you feel about this release. Let me know if you're excited. Just in case you love tea perfumes, make sure to check out the entire top list that I dedicated to that note in perfumery. And we are moving on to something that I won't lie, I am ready to blind buy. So Blue Matcha is already available on their website, and just in case if you have an opportunity to help me, you can donate on Buy Me Coffee website. It's very easy to do that. I will leave a link below, and you can donate as much as you can. And I think if every person will donate like €1 or €2, I'll have more than enough to purchase all these fragrances. But anyway, the next perfume is going to be something a little bit more expensive. That's why I don't know if I will blind buy it. It's already available on the website of Frederic Malle, because I'm talking about their synthetic jungle. But I don't know if it's a good idea to blind buy it or not. Let me know. And once again, if you want to support this craziness, then feel free to donate. That literally helps me so much, and I post exclusive content on that platform, so make sure to check it out. I've just uploaded the vlog to Hamburg today, so maybe that's gonna be something exciting for you to watch. But anyway, let's talk about synthetic jungle, which sounds so like crazy, because in there we have basil, galbanum and blackcurrant in the top. Once again, blackcurrant in the top note. So maybe it's gonna be next trend, although I have a feeling blackcurrant has already been popular in niche perfumery. But let me know how you feel. Do you notice it more and more in fragrances? With top notes like that, I expect something a little bit harsh and green. Although there is blackcurrant, I think, or I expect basil and galbanum to be stronger. Galbanum is this green resinous note that is very noticeable. Basil smells deliciously refreshing, herbaceous, very cool, and blackcurrant is obviously juicy, but it has some tartness to it as well. So anyway, then in the heart they have a whole bunch of beautiful flowers like lily of the valley. It smells clean. Hyacinth also smells clean and sharp. Jasmine is a very beautiful floral note that when it's done correctly can smell absolutely majestic. And then there is ylang ylang, which I'm so obsessed with, guys, and almonds. So almonds really excite me in this combination of very green floral and oak mossy patchouli notes in the base. So maybe it's gonna be noticeable, maybe not, maybe it's a blender, maybe not. I don't really know what to say, but I'm sure that this perfume is gonna be something very special. I really like the name Synthetic Jungle. It excites you. You know, it's gonna be probably leafy and very green because of the name and because of the notes. It's obvious, but I'm excited which note is gonna be the star, or maybe it's gonna be a very smooth blend. Who knows? If you have already had a chance to check it out, please let me know how you feel about it. I noticed that on the official website there is an option to buy a sample and smaller sizes. So once again, if you can donate, please do. I don't really want to beg for money, but that would be just something interesting that we can do together, and I will update you how these fragrances smell. But anyway, let's talk about the final fragrance that I sincerely hope will appear in Germany soon, because I'm talking about Tom Ford's Tuberose New. And you guys, I've been the fan of Tom Ford's recent releases, and this fragrance sounds interesting to me because there is a note of lily, and I love lily perfumes. I hope it's gonna be big in this fragrance, although I expect Tuberose being the focus of the fragrance just because of its name. Then there is jasmine, citron, pepper, benzoin, styrex, cacao, musk, suede, tonka and agarwood. So it's not necessarily a very typical notes combination for a floral tuberose fragrance. Maybe it's gonna be animalic, maybe it's gonna be woody, maybe it's gonna be spicy, maybe it's gonna be sweet, maybe there is gonna be a bit of everything in there. So who knows? And I'm definitely very much excited for this fragrance, although I feel like Tuberose has already been popular, but maybe Tom Ford will find a new way to present us this theme. And finally, today I received Lip Balm from Ormond James. This is such a stunning fragrance from the amazing collection that we've already discussed with their owner and founder on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there, make sure to check it out. The link is going to be below. And this fragrance is absolutely stunning because it smells of a crystallized peony and rosy, clean, beautiful, youthful flowers. And I adore it. It's such a versatile, easygoing fragrance that is so romantic and beautiful, and I like that it matches my shirt even more. So with that being said, you guys, if you're interested in Ormond Jane's perfumes, check out Equation Natural web shop, where I also have a discount for you. Link is going to be below. And on that note, please let me know your thoughts about these fragrances or anything else you would like me to talk about. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That would be amazing and very helpful. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, as well as activate that bell so you will be notified when I post new videos. And that was all from me today. Make sure to stay tuned and smell good. We'll see each other in the next one really soon. Bye guys.